Hey guys, Daniel here, welcome back to the garage. And today I'm going to be changing the transmission oil on my BMW 1150 GS. Now it's a very simple job, basic hand tools is all that's required. BMW recommends you do this every 12,000 miles or 20,000 kilometers or every 2 years, whatever comes first. I would probably do it every year. Every time I do the engine oil filler, I would change the transmission oil. It takes, I think it's just over a litre of oil. So really, there's no excuse for not changing it. Now, I've got a 75-85 weight oil here. It's a GL5 Spec, fully synthetic oil. 80-90 would do the job. Anything really, as long as it's around that weight and it's GL5 Spec is what BMW recommends, and also a high-powered gear oil. It's a simple job. We'll head round the corner and get started. Right guys, we're on the right hand side of the motorcycle. We're looking at the gearbox here. You've got your drain bung and your fill bung. So we always want to crack the fill bung first, because you never want to drain your oil if you can't put oil back into it. So we'll have to crack that. It is an 8mm Allen key. And no worries. So we can go ahead and now drain the oil. Drain bung. The oil looks pretty clean, which is a good sign. And put the bung back in. Now I've got a new crush washer on there, as always, change them every time. Give this a wee nip up. Now I'll flash up what the torque setting for this is if you want to torque it. Just a wee nip will do anyway. And then we want to fill it in till it comes out. Is the goal here. Have the bike on the centre stand, obviously, on a flat level ground. And it's just trickling out there. Sweet. So we'll just let that slow right down to virtually not much coming out there, and then we are good to go. And again, just give this a wee nip up. Give this a quick clean down, and that is the transmission oil done. Right guys, you can't get really much simpler than that. Transmission oil change on a BMW GS. I will do mine every time I change the engine oil. That was what, a litre of oil, something like that. It's really not worth not doing. Right, if you find this video helpful, just give me a thumbs up and I will catch you guys next time. See you later.